is going to affect tourists in a very, very negative way. Jobs will be lost. Businesses will be lost, incomes will be lost, even to KRA. Look at what happened, what was the impact with COVID is some 2 years ago. And it is very, very important that we plead with the government of Kenya to safeguard the livelihoods of the many, many, many Kenyans that are going to be affected with this. And this will cut across everywhere, not only in Laikipia, everywhere in Kenya. So we really would not encourage this to happen. Why wouldn't they do this quarantine in Uganda or where the Ebola is happening?
Everybody will form a perception that if you are coming to Laikipia, you are at high risk of contracting Ebola. So we urge the government and all stakeholders to rethink this decision and see what other alternatives exist. We want to protect this brand and we want to continue growing it as much as possible.